Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will share an interesting passive income idea where you can earn money by selling coloring books. Yes, you heard it right. Coloring books or drawing books in general have like more demand for the kids, and even adults will do that. All you have to do is like create sketches. That's it. All you have to do is like convert the images to sketches or maybe coloring pages, and you can create a book and sell them online or offline. I will share how you can earn money by creating and selling coloring pages. It's a very simple process. I have opened Amazon, and if you can search for coloring book or drawing book, like you will see many such books, because kids in general buy these books. Like they practice coloring and drawing using these books, so these books are in demand. Even schools will sell these books. So coloring books in general is a good idea to make some money. It's not really difficult to create books like this. I will show you how as well. So there are two ways that you can earn money by creating coloring books. One is selling online, like maybe you can sell it on Amazon. There is a platform called KDP where you can upload your books there. Like then like it will be displayed something like this. You can sell on Amazon. I have also made a video earlier on how you can sell something on Amazon. This is one way, and other way is by selling offline. You will find many bookstores in your town or locality. You can directly sell them, because coloring books will always have a demand from school children and kids. And you can also approach schools that you will offer coloring books to them, and again it won't cost too much to create books. It's very affordable process. It hardly take 50 to 60 rupees to create one 30-page or 40-page coloring book, and you can sell literally for 200 or something. You can literally have more than 100 profit for each book, so that is possible. But how to create coloring books? There is a website called coloringbook.ai. I can also include the link in the description. You can check it out. So this website, this AI website, will help you to create coloring pages from any images. So I'm just clicking this. You can upload any image and it will instantly create that as a coloring page or a sketch. Let's suppose like I'm opening pexels.com, like where I can get stock photos for free. Let's suppose I'm searching for dogs. So I got some dog photos here, nice dog photos. Let me download one. So I'm downloading this. Okay, now I have downloaded an image of a dog. I'm just uploading that image. Now I'm just clicking generate coloring page now. It will also have some options like preserve faces or remove background. Like if you want something like that, it will also possible. But I don't want any of those things. I just want the coloring page for this. That's it. And how many images that you want at once? Let's suppose I only want one image, and I'm just clicking generate now. It will take some time and create a coloring page for me. Yeah, the output is ready. See, it's awesome, right? So I can now download it as a PNG or a PDF according to my requirement. So this is so cool, right? It instantly created an drawing or a sketch for the image that I have uploaded. There is another feature as well. You don't always have to upload images from internet. You can also capture images from your mobile and upload it here. And another feature is you can simply type a text, and it will maybe give an artistic it will give an it will instantly give a coloring page as well. Let's suppose a group of kids playing with the ball. So I want a sketch of image where a group of kids are playing with the ball. So this is what I want. And difficulty level, let's suppose I'm selecting it for children. And you can also have dimension. I'm just selecting square. Let's only want one, and I'm just clicking generate. I now have an image of a group of kids playing with a ball. So this is awesome, right? So in this way I can also download this as a PNG. So in this way you can generate many images easily. It won't take much time. So what you have to do is like open Canva, just search for book here. You will get book cover. Just select that. Just click blank book cover. You can create a cover image of your choice, but yeah, my main intention is to just tell you, like, you can just click duplicate and create as many images as you want. So in the first page you can create a cover, and in the second page you can upload the images that you have downloaded recently. I mean, all the images that you have created using coloring book. I'm just clicking here. Yeah, so you can place all your images like this using Canva. And next page I can put this. So once you create maybe 25 or 30 images, uh, you can just download this. In the options, like, you will see under download, you will have multiple options: PDF standard, PDF print, etc. You need to select PDF print, so that you can have a print version of your book ready. All you have to do is, like, just take a printout with high quality. It might be A4 or A3, like whatever the size that you're looking. Then yeah, that's ready. Like, you can have a coloring book ready. And yeah, first image, like, you need to make sure you create something aesthetically. Let's suppose, for my instance, I want to show how it looks like. So cover page, something like this. I will add this image on top, and I will place this image on the bottom. Maybe I will just give some title, random title, or let me change the background. Maybe I can add some text here, or yeah, you can do anything you want in Canva. It's easy to create a cover. Or if you feel like you want more good looking cover, like, you will find many templates when you search for book cover, so that, like, you can simply create one and download that image and place it on first image, so that you can have a coloring book ready, and you can sell it in multiple ways. Like the ways that I have mentioned, you can sell it online using KDP, so that you can sell on platforms like Amazon. And the other way is, you can sell offline, maybe the stores near you, or you can approach schools. See, there is a lot of earning opportunity with these coloring books. Like, you might feel like, okay, coloring books are simple, but there is a lot of business opportunity. When you go to bookstore and ask how the business is going for coloring books, you will be amazed at the demand that these books has. So yeah, like, if you have some free time, like, it hardly takes maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes to create a coloring book. But yeah, you can make a lot of money, literally. So yeah, this is one of the great opportunity if you are looking to earn some decent passive income. I can uh, I can place the link of coloring book in the description. You can check it out. Thank you for watching.